Aquí sí, Adrián. ¿Qué tal tu estudiar, Adrián? Ito talaga totoo na, totoo to buwan. Whereas, Leoning, baka patiring ka dyan. Uy, papasok ako sa tunnel. How many questions, Kuyoting? The Leoning is asking me many questions. Tunneling. Signorang Loreng. Eso puro ikuting na loading. Ay nako. 7 minutes more. And let's bye-bye. Okay na. Hindi na nag-ikot-ikot. Buti nandyan pa rin kayo. Hindi kayo nagsipag-alisan. Welcoming backing. Ano ba to, langging? Ano ba yan? Makatawa na ako ng malakas mamaya pagkababa ng mga to. Anong oras na ba? Maaga. Bahasa ki? Nada. Ay, bakit ang sarap naman sa kanya? Sarap mahiga, nakatumbling. My Leonis is not acting right. Coyote, if maybe you're laughing, right? What your Leonis okay nang ay malakas na ang boses ko kasi nagsipagbabaan na sila. Adrian, bendiciones in Sodia, ere a dormir, un beso. Hola Adrian, un beso para ti. Buenas noches. Nasilip yung sa likod mo lang. Ay ganon. Hayaan mo siya. Buenas noches Adrian. Good night and sweet dream. My Leonis is your Leonis is watching you. About Coyote. Coyote, did you hear me? Coyote, did you hear me, Coyote? Or not? Or you're muted? Maybe Coyote is muted. Yes, okay. If you are laughing there, what Leonie said, she is angry or she is confused. Thin eyes and unti lang nag-comments. I have my AirPods. Okay. What she said, if you are laughing, I'm sure you are laughing there. Because Kopang family is crazy. I have 4 minutes left or 5 minutes left. She is not angry, is having a conversation with me. Okay. Tell her don't agree with us. Tell her join us. Join us and join us with bayan, di na ko kay ba mo English oy. Pagwa ko sa mood mag-English, I'm not in the mood to speak English.